This is comparatively a simple problem from 2024 question paper of CUTPG. The question is like this: to plot the log k versus 1 by t, how that graph will be. As we know, the Arrhenius equation is k equals a into e to the power of minus ea by rt. I will suggest students to learn only the basic equations and see we can do the mathematical manipulations later so that your brain load will be less. Now, once you take the log k, it will be equal to log a minus ea by rt. And this, of course, it will be a plot between log k versus 1 by t will be a straight line, and this looks like a entirely as a straight line equation of y equals mx plus c. Actually, your points will be like this, and here you will be plotting 1 by t, and again here you will be plotting log k. So this will be the experimental points, and if you join these points, you will be having almost like a straight line. And once you extended this to the y-axis, this value you will be getting as log a. Actually, how you are getting log a is t is tending to 0, then 1 by t will be tending to when t tends to infinity, 1 by t will tend to 0. Once 1 by t is tending to 0, log a will be equal to log a. So this is the position at which t is tending to infinity. Now, what will be the slope? Your slope will be equal to minus EA by R. So that is a negative slope. Now you check to the option. You will be having a non-zero intercept. Of course, that is your log A value. So non-zero intercepts are here in the option number 4 and 2. And you will be having a negative slope. So your right answer will be a negative slope and non-zero intercept. Fourth option.